This is a 1986 Carrier Round 1 high efficiency. This thing is a beast. It has the pixel spine fin coils on it. The thing has a Bristol reciprocating compressor. This thing is throwing off some heat. This thing is awesome. We also appear to have a Train XC1000 over here. The label on it's ripped off for some reason. I used to have one of these in my house growing up. Looks like a Climatuf reciprocating. It's the same that mine had. Also spine fin coils. Don't know where the information plate is. It must be back there. Definitely cool. Got an Armstrong back here. Concept 10. Got a York over there that just shut off. Whatever reciprocating compressor it has, it sounds quite nice. Here's this little York. Small little thing. Let's see what we got over here. Just appear to have some Armstrongs. This one has its handle off for whatever reason. That Armstrong sounds really nice. There's also a Comfort Air and another older Armstrong up here, but I don't think any of those are running. This thing's massive. $1993, I think. This thing is sweet. Comfort Air. Brand new. I like these. These look pretty nice. And then another older Armstrong that's running. This one has a heat gun in it. I'm about to say it sounds like a Pelton. It needs clean. Concept 10. This thing is sweet. This one over here sounds awesome though. Comfort Air looks so good. I think that replaced another older Armstrong, because I remember there being another big one like this over there.